Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see, will be an easy microwave bowl cake using cake mix. It's been a while, so I decided to come with something easy, quick, and my birthday's coming up, so this is something that I probably can make on my birthday. Something you can make as well on your birthday if you are a teenager or if you are an adult that want to do something easy and quick and you're by yourself, or even if this is for like a child. We're getting started with this red velvet, perfectly moist, and it's by Duncan Hines. Both brands are, and the whipped fluffy white frosting. I honestly thought it was cream cheese frosting, but I was just grabbing stuff and I decided to go with this. So it should work out perfectly fine, and it did. So right now I gotta open this, and I just opened it any kind of way, but honestly, if you're making this like in separate cups for separate people, like kids, because this is like a thing that people will make for their kids, or if you're by yourself or you're a teenager. Because I made this when I was a teenager because I was like, I wanted to have a mug cake, so I decided to make a personal one for myself, a mug cake, and it worked out perfectly fine for me. So as you can see, I'm putting some scoops into the bowl. And as you guys saw in the beginning and in the description below, there's a recipe that calls for this. So if you follow the recipe and make sure you eyeball it, as in like look at the consistency, you should be perfectly fine. And then just add your water. So just 2 easy ingredients, no eggs, no baking soda. You're gonna add a little bit of flour or water. That's you can use your sink water if it's clear, and you could use bottled water, it doesn't matter. Any type of water. You could use milk, because if milk works in Oreo mug cake, I'm sure it'll work in cake mix. So, yeah, anyway, just make sure you mix it and make sure everything's mixed in, because right here, I'm going to show you guys that not everything, I thought everything was mixed, but you see I still had some of the cake batter that wasn't mixed, so I have to make sure I mixed in everything. And there's my consistency. It just looks so red velvet is just my favorite cake. And I also love strawberry, like with the cake mix. Strawberries is delicious as well. I don't really do the vanilla or the the plain white cake. Anyway, so right now I'm putting it in the microwave, and you want to microwave it for just 1 minute, but make sure you check it. And yeah. This cake batter, y'all, this cake was just so fluffy, and then I don't know why I used a spoon to check it, because it left like a kind of hole in there. But yeah, you saw the spoon was clean. That means that the cake is done. So for future reference, a clear slate is, a clear checking is the toothpick. Next would be a fork. That's what people mostly recommend, and I do too. I just use a spoon. I don't know why did I do that, but yeah. And then right now I'm working on the frosting. I want to pipe it, so that's why I'm putting it into my bag, just to make it more fun and just crazy to do, because as you can see, my little brother's right next to me, and this is just fun for him, because he was talking the whole time I was making this. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. Like, he was just so happy about the cake. I don't know why. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna pipe it, and honestly, I was gonna cut it, but I just decided to bite it off. Alright guys, so my piping is trash, but anybody could do, if you know how to pipe, go for it. If not, just plop the frosting on there. And right here, I didn't like how this ended, so that's why I went ahead and flattened the frosting out. You guys will see me do that right here. Like, I just basically flattened it down and made it look more aesthetically pleasing, like more, you know, eye-catching, because people eat with their eyes, and my little brother will be seeing this and you guys as well. So I just wanted it to look more better than how it looked before. And yeah, and then you want to make sure the cake cools before you put frosting on it, if you want the frosting to be still stiff and on there pretty strong. This cake bowl was so delicious and I really enjoyed it. Also, my little brother enjoyed it as well, so I gave him less than half in a separate mug, and he enjoyed it. He ate it all. Here's the results, and look at that, just so amazing. It just looks so Hope you guys enjoy this video, and just take a look at this texture. That looks like I baked it in the oven, like for real though. So without further ado, please like, comment, subscribe, and also comment below if you try this out in your mug or in a bowl, doesn't matter, and comment the results. Thanks for watching.